Hello all, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, all these days you have studied about the closure property and commutative property of whole numbers and integers. In this chapter, you are going to study about the closure property of rational numbers and commutative property of rational numbers. Okay, so let me proceed with the lesson. So closure property of rational number, it holds true for addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not division. Let me explain to you by giving an example. For addition, a plus b, 5 by 6 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 32 by 24. It satisfies the closure property, that is p, it is in the form of p by q, rational number. A minus B, 17 by 9 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 76 by 45 is again a rational number. This also holds true for closure property. A into B, which is equals to minus 3 by 10 into 7 by 4 minus 20 by 40 is again a rational number. For multiplication also holds true for closure property. Why not division? A divided B is not a rational number, especially when B is equal to 0. When you put B is equal to 0, you will not get a rational number. For example, 7 by 12 divided by 0 is not at all defined and it is not a rational number. Okay. Commutative property of rational numbers. Let A and B are rational numbers. Okay. Let us go for addition. Whether it holds true or not. Let us check. A plus B is equal to B plus A. 5 by 6 plus 2 by 4. If you take the LCM and do the work, you will get 32 by 24, which is equals to B plus A. 2 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Yes, it holds true for the commutative property of addition. Similarly, for multiplication also it holds true. A into B is equal to B into A. Minus 3 by 10 into 7 by 4. 3 7s are 21. 10 4s are 40. Minus into plus minus, which is equals to 7 by 4 into minus 3 by 10. 7 3s are 21. 4 10s are 40. Plus into minus is again minus. Therefore, this also holds true for commutative property of multiplication. What about the subtraction? A minus B is not equal to B minus A because 17 by 9 minus 1 by 5, you will get the answer as 76 by 45. Look here, 1 by 5, B minus A, 1 by 5 minus 17 by 9, you will get the answer as minus 76 by 45. Both are not equal, isn't it? This is plus 76 by 45 and this is minus 76 by 45. Therefore, commutative property of subtraction does not hold true. Similarly, for division, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Let me show the example. 7 by 12 divided by 3, which is equals to, you will get the answer as 7 by 36. Now B divided by A, 3 divided by 7 by 12. You will get the answer as 36 by 7. 7 by 36 is not equal to 36 by 7. Hence, the division also does not hold true for commutative property of division. Okay, let's study about additive identity. Additive identity means here you consider 0 as a additive identity. Okay, additive identity, it is also a property in the rational numbers. So 0 is the additive identity. A plus 0 is equal to A. Any number added to 0 is number itself, isn't it? 0 plus A. For example, 17 by 23 plus 0 is equal to 17 by 23. 0 plus a, 0 plus 17 by 23 is again you will get the answer as 17 by 23. Therefore, any number added to 0 is a number itself. 0 is the additive identity. Similarly, multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. If 0 is the additive identity means 1 is the multiplicative identity. Please don't forget, keep it in mind. A into 1 is equal to A. Any number multiplied by 1 is again the number itself, which is equals to 1 into A is A. That is 17 by 23 multiplied by 1 is equal to 17 by 23, which is equals to 1 into 17 by 23. That is A into 1 is equal to 17 by 23. 1 into A is 17 by 23. Additive inverse. For any rational number A and B, A plus B is equal to 0, which is equals to B plus C. How? Consider A as minus 17 by 23, B as 17 by 23. Therefore, minus 17 by 23 and plus 17 by 23, you will get the answer as 0, isn't it? Similarly, 7 plus 17 by 23 minus, how plus into minus is minus 17 by 23, you will get the answer as 0 itself. Therefore, plus 17 by 23 is the additive inverse of minus 17 by 23, and minus 17 by 23 is the additive inverse of plus 17 by 23. If they ask you, they might ask you a question, what is the additive inverse of plus 17 by 23 means you should answer as minus 17 by 23. If they ask you what is additive inverse of minus 17 by 23 means you should answer as plus 17 by 23. Okay, next multiplicative inverse. For any rational number A and B, A into B is equal to 1, which is equals to B into A. For example, 17 by 23 into 23 by reciprocal, guys, which is nothing but you call it as reciprocal. 17 by 23, the reciprocal of that is 23 by 17, which is equals to 1. If you cancel all this one, you will get the answer as 1. Similarly, B into A. What is B? 23 by 17. The reciprocal of that is 17 by 23. However you do, you will get the answer as 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 17 by 23? There is nothing but 23 by 17. What is the multiplicative inverse of 23 by 17? It is nothing but 17 by 23. Please don't forget. I have put the slides for you.